Today we are going to learn about another punctuation mark that is called as comma. About full stop we have already read. We use full stop at the end of a sentence. When the sentence is complete, at that time we put full stop or period. When we are using full stop, our voice, we don't raise up our voice or slow down. For full stop, we have to pause for 2 seconds. Where do we put full stop? We put full stop when the sentence is complete, firstly. Secondly, when we write abbreviated forms or short forms like Mr., Mrs., Doctor, Professor, example, etc. When we write the short form etc. etc. then dot. And example E dot G dot. So we have seen where do we use full stop. Even when we are writing someone's name which has separate letters like APJ Abdul Kalam, at that time A dot P dot J, then Abdul Kalam. Similarly here comma. What is the function of comma we will know. Comma plays a very important role while writing or reading a sentence. Let's see what rules we should follow for comma. First rule is use the comma between the month, date and the year. I was born on March 24, 2005. So, where to use? March 24. Then comma, then year. Month, date and year. Month, date and year. Now what is rule number 2? Rule number 2 is comma is used to separate 3 or more names in a sentence. For example, Nikki, comma Tim, comma John, comma Pitty and Sam are my friends. So we cannot, a sentence is wrong if we write without comma the names, because it means that the names of my friends are Nikki, Tim, John, Pitt and Sam. It means a single person's name is Nikki, Tim, John, Pitt and Sam. But if we give commas, it means they are the separate persons. I hope you have understood rule 1 and rule 2. Let us see the third rule. The third rule is use the comma to separate 3 or more items in a sentence. For example, my father loves to eat idli, comma dosa, comma pizza and burger. So here also what are your hobbies? My hobbies are singing, comma dancing and swimming. Similarly here I love boxing, comma my family, comma and my dog. So we use the comma to separate 3 or more items in a sentence. And after month, then date, then comma, then year and full stop. And where do we use comma? Second rule says when there are more names in a sentence or more items are there in a sentence, we separate the separate items by comma. I hope you have understood. For comma, we have to pause for very little time. We have to pause for 1 second for comma. Okay. Yesterday, just like we have read that let's eat mama. So let's eat mama. Are you going to eat your mother? No. How can we write? We can write let's eat, comma. Means there is some pause. You are telling to your mother, Mommy, chalo khana khane chalte hain. But if the comma is missing, let's eat mama. Chalo hum mummy ko khate hain. I hope you have understood the importance of comma and the use of comma. Okay. Month, date, comma, year. Then when there are more than 3 items, then we use comma. Okay. So comma helps to make and speak meaningful sentences. Thank you.